Do you also retake your TikTok videos a zillion times before posting because it's hard to remember what you want to say? Let me help you out there. If you want to level up your video production game, stay tuned for valuable tips coming your way. Hi, I'm Kevin from Teleprompter, and I'm here to show you how to use the app to nail your TikTok videos. One essential tool for creating engaging and professional looking videos is a Teleprompter app. The app helps you deliver your content smoothly by displaying your script or text on your phone screen. With a Teleprompter app, you can maintain eye contact with your audience and deliver your message confidently. To set up, start with a stable platform to hold your phone. Use a tripod that is compatible with your phone and has adjustable height and angle settings. Attach your phone securely to the tripod mount, ensuring it's tightly fastened. Next, choose a suitable background for your content. Experiment to find what works best for your niche and the message you want to convey. Remember, the background sets the tone and atmosphere of your video, so make sure it aligns with your content style. Once your tripod and background are ready, it's time to use the Teleprompter app. Write your script directly in the app or upload your text or PDF files to folders. With your script in the Teleprompter app, position your phone on the tripod at eye level or slightly above. Adjust the text size and speed settings on the app according to your preference. Find a balance where you can comfortably read the text while maintaining a natural and engaging delivery. Finally, hit the record button and start filming. The Teleprompter app will automatically scroll the text as you speak, keeping you on track and eliminating the need for multiple takes or excessive editing. Remember to maintain good posture, speak clearly, and use appropriate gestures to enhance your message. After recording, review your footage and make any necessary adjustments. Pay attention to your delivery, facial expressions, and overall presentation. If needed, re-record specific sections to ensure you're happy with the final result. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content creation tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.